MEI again. This is some sneaker store here in Times Square, New York City. I don't know where this goes.
Thank you so much.
Oh, this is probably a Foot Locker again. All right, here we go. This is probably a Foot Locker because this cab looks a lot like the other Foot Locker I went to. I rode 3 Foot Locker elevators today. Before today, this and something with HPS. I almost forgot the name of the fixture. I like the 4 today one the best out of all of them. I think this will probably be my last Foot Locker elevator. There it goes. And that's it.